Hey food lovers, welcome back to Hafsat-Kitchen. Today, I'm bringing you a breakfast that will blow your mind, the ultimate Nigerian toast bread. This isn't your regular toast, oh. This one is packed with flavor, eggs, suya meat, pepper, cabbage, and tomatoes, all toasted to perfection. It's crunchy on the outside, soft, juicy, and so satisfying. Let's get started. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 loaf of sliced bread. 6 eggs. Suya or grilled meat, optional but delicious. 1 onion. Fresh tomatoes. Blended pepper. Cabbage. Salt, seasoning cubes. Margarine or butter. Vegetable oil. And of course, a bread toaster. Electric plug. Everything we need to create that irresistible, street-style toast you'll crave every morning. Prepare your egg mixture. Start by chopping your onions, tomatoes, cabbage, and suya meat into small bits. Now, in a large bowl, combine them all together. Crack in your 6 eggs. Add a little blended pepper, a pinch of salt, and your seasoning cubes. Then whisk everything thoroughly until well combined. The mixture should look colorful and rich, that's how you know it'll taste amazing. Step 2. Fry the egg mixture. Pour about 5 teaspoons of vegetable oil into a frying pan and let it heat up. Once hot, add your egg mixture. Fry on medium heat. This step takes a bit longer than your regular egg fry. Because we have lots of delicious fillings inside. After about 5 minutes, check the bottom. Once it turns golden brown, use a flat spoon or turner to flip it carefully. Let the other side fry until brown too. Now your rich, meaty egg filling is ready. Step 3. Assemble your toast. Take your sliced bread. Spread butter on one side, this side will face the toaster. Now, place 1 buttered slice on the toaster, buttered side down. Add some of your fried egg mixture on top, then layer with sliced tomatoes and onions. Take another slice of bread, butter one side, and place it on top, buttered side facing up. So now, the buttered sides are outside, and the filling is right in the middle. Close your toaster and let it toast for about 7 minutes. You'll start to smell that heavenly aroma, buttery, spicy, and savory all at once. Fire. Step 4, serve and enjoy. And there you have it, the best Nigerian toast bread ever. Crispy on the outside, soft inside, packed with flavor and love. Red heart. You can enjoy it with tea, juice, or just grab it on the go, it's that good. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, share it with your friends. And subscribe to Hafsat-Kitchen for more exciting Nigerian recipes and kitchen tips. See you in my next video, bye for now. Waving hand medium skin tone.